left, down, right, up.
If it's loud, it's loud. Fuck the police.
You can get me to do anything if you say that beforehand. Damn you.
Player 1. Shoots kick.
That guy sucks. This guy sucks. He was my favorite because you hated it.
Now there's no sound. You happy? There's some sound, but it's really quiet. I'm actually going to turn it off. Okay.
Hey!
Alright, let's remember as usual, there is a time.
Yes, let's remember that now instead of 5 minutes from now.
I'm mostly telling you. Oh, I need to actually do something. Sorry. I don't have this set up the way that I did before, and it's fucking me up. I believe this one's still correct. This one... Maybe this? No, not that.
Ability 4 has nothing.
That's correct. That's not. Okay, so the one that is down, I need to be right. Okay.
I also have to remember how to play every time.
Stop pressing buttons.
I'm trying to play.
Okay. So down used to be where right is. And
It's like trying to teach your grandma how to use a printer right now. So I do this, and that happened.
that's good, that's good. That's good.
I just want to thank you so much for coming over.
That'll work. Actually, I want to exchange up.
Oh my god!
We'll be good after this.
Start? Yeah, we'll be very good at the game.
Let's probably restart though, because we wasted all that time. I'm chef.
I don't know if I can play with a Scientologist.
Okay, now we're good. Oh wait.
You could have hit play.
Damn.
Oh,
Well. I wanted to turn on.
all your terrible things.
No, just the.
Is
thing.
Isaac Hayes dead?
Yes.
Yeah, he's dead.
I just wanted to turn on the thing with
Yeah?
the imps coming in at 10 minutes.
Oh.
There's the teleporter down there.
Ooh, already. I see a thing to open up. Ooh, I see a fucking...
Yeah, I can
magnet.
kill this guy real quick.
Yeah, me too.
I can kill
Me
him
too,
quicker.
man.
We'll call it teamwork. So.
No, I did it. You are the
Dude,
slacker of the group.
My shit fucked him up. Don't even.
I just like heard. I heard.
Oh yeah, you get the red.
Yeah, I need it. I need to be faster. Do I not need to be faster?
That only works when you're not attacking, by the way.
Good.
Save your life.
Bitch, please.
Origin. That's the one with the imps.
I didn't even mean to set this bullshit down.
Yeah. You're pretty bad. They should be going for chests and shit, dog.
I saw a chest over here, and then the magworm had to come and be
Get you off
here.
the air because you're fucking garbage.
You're trash. I just think of Always Sunny, the white trash episode, where at the end Dennis is like, "You're trash down here down the pool. You're trash." I'm not gonna talk trash. He just says trash like 5 times in 3 seconds, and it's hilarious.
I wish you guys would stop spawning down here so I can leave. Don't know.
I wish guys would quit harassing me for my hot chef body. What you're saying?
No, actually, there's nothing like that.
Are your knives tits? Because lead steel beams?
I died.
No! What are you doing? I can do this.
I was confused by my controls. I still haven't set it up right, and I can't remember how.
I don't know how you haven't figured out the right
I know I
setup.
have the basic skill on the right one.
Yeah, so...
Why don't you buy that chest and shut the fuck up?
I'm gonna make this.
That didn't work because you didn't make an angle. Everything's fine. Nothing's dying.
See, when you die, you say hurtful things. Okay, and it's mean when you say these things. I'm gonna go put one down here in the corner, and I should have put one up there. It should have already happened.
Fuck it. Or just kill those guys. You can tank them easily.
There, is everyone dead now?
No, there's still 14.
I know. I'm in this little neighborhood. There. What am I gonna tell your kids?
You better spend the money and not leave the level without spending the money. Or I'm gonna be mad.
Well, you're gonna
I'm mad.
You're
but
mad
I'm
already.
stressing. 2 friends. 1 question.
What's your question?
Where were you when I was drunk?
When you were what? When you were drunk?
No. When I was running.
When you were running?
Now I run the game, got the whole world jumping. King Kuta.
Oh, okay.
Why aren't you opening the containers?
I just tried to open that and it didn't work.
It didn't work.
Yeah, because it's circle to open it, and I thought it was weird. So what can you do, man?
Are you sure it's something? Because you seem to have not opened it. There you go.
Oh, it is square.
Oh, it is.
What the fuck? Triangle? I'll blame it on the face buttons.
Just don't blame it on the boogie.
I can't. The boogie's in my butt. It's hard to blame things.
Yo, you guys spent 5 minutes on the first level.
I'm doing it fucking solo.
That's the way the game was designed to be fucking played.
No, it wasn't.
That's like...
You're wrong.
I've taken so long to get past the first floor on Isaac because I'm doing it solo. I don't have a useless baby to help.
Yeah. That's why you can't. Why you're not very good at it until I play with you.
I don't think that's true. In fact, I started
Cut to the videotape.
I usually start doing better once you eventually give up in the middle of the run.
Well, because it's a dark floor. I'm not trying to fuck with the
Or
dark.
Because it's the womb and now everything does a full heart.
I can't be trusted with such things.
Don't spend any more on that.
How many guys are left?
6.
They must be hiding. Oh yeah, the fucking arrow points at him.
You get it.
What is this game?
You're gonna die.
Oh, thank you for the
Use
support.
Why don't you use the water? It's so much quicker than climbing that rope.
Would you tell a soldier who's about to go off into the war, you are gonna die though? I don't think you
Yeah,
would.
I would. Put it there. Yeah, they're all gonna die. Now go left for loot.
Alright, I see this one.
That's not what you're going for. You're going for the chests. The items that make you not suck.
Okay.
Otherwise you die. So you got a lollipop.
Yeah, it's very tasty.
So you got a reduced cooldown.
Alright,
and
can I
use
leave
that.
now?
You buy that fucking drone down there and then you can go.
Have you ever just like had the ghost of your angry grandpa following you to places? This is it. This is that same exact experience.
What's the yams? The yams is the power that be. You can smell it when I'm walking in the streets. Oh yes you can.
I really need to listen to that.
Why don't you listen?
Because I've been listening to other shit.
Well, Wow.
Cause. I'm just imagining other scenarios of an angry grandpa. Don't just fucking take pictures of Mount Rushmore. Look at it. Don't look at Lincoln though. Guy was a fucking pussy. Oh, what is all
We need to find the teleporter.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. I was trying to fuck with those guys.
Yeah, they ain't our problem.
Yet. They will be.
I'm just wait there.
I don't got no damn money. Ain't got no damn cash.
You gotta kill something.
I thought you were gonna make it.
I made it just fine. Don't
Oh,
die.
I didn't mean to set that.
Hey, I found the teleporter.
It parts your tellus.
I'm not a part of your Nutella.
I've never eaten Nutella.
It's pretty edible.
People online seem to think
It tastes like chocolate. Why did we get... Oh, I know why we got fucking 2 bosses.
because of the time.
Yeah.
Because of the time, Gramps.
I can't survive very long with jellyfish. Nope. Nor these guys, I'm done.
I
You're
don't...
dead. Just give up.
Yeah, I don't
Give
know
up
where
on
this is
life.
going.
If you get that drone, though, you'll be pretty good. That's a missile drone.
Everyone get in this little section of 5 feet here.
Why did you make it that?
I didn't mean to.
Good.
Just kill me. Just fucking kill me, okay?
Good. Try again.
Maybe you don't be chef.
Chef is good. And you know I do best with Chef, so why are you talking shit about Chef?
I'm just saying what I saw here.
I'm
What I
just
have
saying-
seen in the past was there's a little discrepancy in what I'm seeing. Are you having a bad home life? Don't bring it into the work, please.
You're gonna get fucked.
Ooh,
Wait.
now I'm gonna
Wait,
have to file
don't
a
quit.
complaint against you.
Are you triggered?
Oh god! I don't get triggered until someone goes, "Did that trigger you?" And then I do get
Teleporter's not this way, don't go that way. Okay, now we're good, because now things do what they should.
triggered. I love that. I love that.
Keep up, homeboy.
Hey, I got heavy arms. You don't know nothing about that, you
I'm sure
fucking
you do,
pussy.
fast.
Oh, you are dead meat as soon as I catch up to you, fucking nerd.
Hey, go ahead. Get to me.
I'm doing it. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, you're
I
electrified
want
now.
enough money for that attack speed.
You're electrified
So I'm
now.
gonna get enough money for that attack speed.
Dude, I am like Kingpin. Fucking huge and slow.
I'm getting that attack speed. And not giving a fuck about you.
I need it though, because I'm Kingpin and
No, you don't need attack speed.
I'm bald, so the speed makes me feel better.
I'd be really mad if you took that thing. But I'm good. I ain't stressing.
Kingpin plays by his own rules. Have you watched any of Daredevil?
No.
The guy who plays Kingpin, the way he does Kingpin is like the best version of Kingpin I've ever seen.
Better than the 90s Spider-Man cartoon?
I would say yeah.
Because that version's dumb.
That version is like a man made of adamantium skin. He's Luke
And
Cage.
before Magma
So he can't come now because you said him before.
No.
Right?
That's usually a thing that you're expecting to happen.
Oh yeah.
Don't die.
I'm not gonna. He's dying.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's not easy to top. I mean, it is easy to top that 90s Spider-Man Kingpin because that guy was pretty one-dimensional as far as characters go. Hey, I'm tough as shit. I hate Spider-Man. Pretty much that's...
I'm fond of most superheroes, really.
Anybody who wears a suit is fucking weird, even though I wear white suits and the Captain Ahab constantly tries to murder me from Moby Dick. Because I am as big as a whale. He doesn't wear a white suit in the...
Well, then I ain't watching.
I understand. He does wear a blue suit and a gray suit whenever he starts to become more like a real person. But then he goes right back to the black suit when some shit goes down. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good series. I enjoyed it. I didn't watch it all in one sitting because that's fucking stupid.
Yeah, Ryan, I'm not telling.
Oh, why can't I get out of this fucking
Because you a pussy.
Kingpin? I can do whatever I want. Like, there are times in the show where you're like, Jesus, is this Kingpin gonna do anything? And then when he does something, you're like, holy shit, let's tone it down. That was too much. Too much badassness.
Dad, you. I'm recording. I'm
Is
busy.
it actually Dadger?
Yeah, it's Dad.
Is it a dad? Or someone who can't spell?
No, it's he's like
13? I didn't even know they made people that age anymore.
I'm gonna reply to him real quick. Real professional.
Is he just gonna keep... Yeah, he's 13. He'll be like, are you there? Are you there? What's going on? Are you alive? What? Rock stars. That's a thing that you definitely don't say as an adult.
Oh no, that came undone. So we gotta do these.
What is this?
This? Oh, this is us being professional. Okay, you should be good now.
Well, it makes us... It reminds the audience that we are real people. And we're not just some robots.
Feelings.
Well, I don't really.
We don't always
I don't
play
really
the episode
feel.
if you don't know Jack that you want to see.
He's not watching. There's
What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't. We have money.
Kingpin does.
I will murder you in real life.
Oh my god, you could. I'm very close. Statistically, everyone can murder the person to their right, immediate right, very easily. Not the left though. It's harder to do.
No. You can have that used item, but it's terrible.
What is it?
It lets you set up a gate.
How do I use these items?
It's like whatever button doesn't do anything on your face buttons for you.
There we go.
And you'll teleport back to that if you use it again.
Oh! I have a grappling hook that I never use, so I don't think I'll be using a teleporter I never use.
Okay, we need to be prepared to kill these guys.
Oh, okay.
Oh, actually, set up a trap.
Yeah, I was about to say before you do that. Set up a little trappy trap here.
Go like down here.
Oh, they like to move?
Yeah, they love to move.
Alright, ready for them. Oh! To their death.
You can come take this.
Alright. It probably sucks.
No, it's rapid healing outside of combat.
Oh shit, yeah.
It's pretty good.
I need that.
You need to wait for your shit to come off cooldown and do the same thing.
Oh. Yeah, I'm done cooling down. After you said you were gonna murder me, I'm cooled down from when you said that. Because we're friends. You know. Sometimes friends do murder each other though, so that
I have
triggers
one of
me.
these, so you can come take this one. That's more healing for you.
I just can't imagine a real adult saying, you didn't know, but that kind of thing triggers me. And being 100% serial.
We're not going to spend much more time here.
Yeah, 6 minutes.
Oh, here's an attack speed. You want an attack speed?
Yeah. Now we're gonna go on this
Come
road.
grab it.
I'm doing it.
Come grab it.
I'm trying. I'm all arm heavy.
Alright, now you punch a little faster.
Yeah. Oh Jesus.
You can teleport up there. It probably would fuck our shit up.
Probably.
Unless it teleported both of us, which I doubt.
Dude, there's no way it does.
Because I have less health.
I can't grapple onto ropes. It's bullshit.
But, like, if I'm way ahead of you, you can teleport up there.
But like,
Just
I'm just. Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna forget about the teleport.
Press the goddamn button right now. There you go.
I don't like it. It's too futuristic.
I mean,
I'm a man with fucking. Oh shit! I hope he didn't want that.
that's kind of bad.
Cool.
I have head stompers.
Head stomp? You mean feet?
No, it's head stompers. That's the item.
Yeah. You can stomp heads with feet. It's generally how it's done.
Quit being a punk bitch.
Ooh, I know you just did not call the Kingpin a punk bitch! Oh my god! He'll murder you!
What are you gonna do? Teleport over to me?
Yep, let me just. Boom, and now I'm back here! You weren't expecting that, were you? You thought I was gonna go
Yeah,
forward.
don't let the booger on kill you.
I'm not, I'm setting up some shit so that BG will have some shit to do on. Oh god, we got a purple
You got
dust
2
monster.
of them now. You're not gonna be able to get up here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are you sure?
Boop. Yeah. I have all of the money.
All 13 of them?
Yeah, Kingpin. We got all that money.
I have to like fight guys and shit because you so damn slow.
Oh my god. I'm gonna run for mayor. Just, he doesn't do that.
We ain't gonna elect anybody with life alert now.
Ooh! Kingpin should probably have life alert though. Especially his 90s cartoon. Kingpin, because he is very obese. And while he's pretty like indestructible in Daredevil as well. But what if he wore Juggernaut's suit? Oh god. Everyone's in trouble. No, yeah, no. If fucking Kingpin wore... No, not Daredevil suit, Juggernaut suit. My bad.
I said Juggernaut suit, and I still think you're dumb.
How? No, how is that?
Because he wouldn't have that much physical strength to handle that suit.
Dude.
He's strong, but he's not that strong.
He's strong as shit.
But he's not a mutant strong.
Alright, so what you're saying is we need to have a mutant strongman competition that also has... Oh god. Kingpin.
I died.
Quit it! Quit doing these things!
He one-shotted me. You're almost dead.
Oh god. Oh damn, girl. And
you're
there it is.
Try playing on Drizzle mode for an easier time. It's been a while, guys.
Wait, he doesn't have the strength? What is...
Shut up about
What is
Kingpin!
it?